We had a really special opportunity this week. We got a PCA grant that allowed us to bring in two amazing experts that are working on Willow. One put the original Willow tunnels and dome in and is repairing them. And she's also, at the same time, she's working with the kids, which is an amazing experience for them to get to meet somebody who's actually grown Willow, worked with Willow. And then we have Gregory, who is a master weaver, basket weaver, and she's been working with the kids and teaching them how to make their own creations out of basket willow.
Yeah, my name's Corinne van Gestel, and I work for the Willow Bank, which is our business that supplies lots of different types of varieties for many different purposes. One of those purposes is going into schools and communities and creating beautiful structures for primarily the enjoyment of the children. And I'm absolutely amazed at how much joy it has brought to children. And I think that's partly because they were involved in the process. And I think being involved in the process as a pupil in your school grounds gives you more ownership. It gives you more responsibility and a connection with the landscape. So it's bringing the students out into the landscape that they help to create for their own joy, their own enjoyment, but also for the benefit of wildlife.
Willow particularly forms a really important part of our cultural inheritance. Over the last 2 or 3 generations, it's had a massive decline. It almost became extinct. There's been a huge resurgence in the last 10 years, and it's really building on that. It's the UK's most sustainable product that we produce. We have a history going back thousands of years of basketry. It's a beautiful thing to be able to do with your hands. It's really engrossing. It's time consuming. You can make anything out of willow. The more you weave with it, the more skills you get, the more things that you can weave. So I brought these a selection of different baskets into the school to show the wealth of history of the baskets that we have around the UK and around Europe, to kind of inspire the students here into the wealth of different things that can be done with basketry.
Basically, today is basically all about willows. So we're trying to make these little willow bird feeder things. Well, that's what I'm trying to make. So I can put like little nesting things in.
It's important to learn the history about how the people before were to make stuff, because you can kind of like get inspired by their ideas to kind of make something even greater.
I enjoyed most about Willow is probably that how like super bendy and it's very easy to carve, so like you can make an easy like necklace out of it by just like carving it and then tying a knot.
The best weaving willow in the world is grown in Britain. So this is the place where you get the highest quality of willow. And I had no idea, was 350 species of willow to work with. And so much of that was just completely lost. So I think for the kids to actually get to work with it and realize that people were doing this hundreds of years ago, thousands of years ago. So it's an amazing environmental science lesson as well.